A bottle contained 8/9 liters of milk. Wilson drank 3/4 liters of it. How much milk was left in the bottle? So let's say this is the bottle. It has 8/9 liters of milk. Then this is he drank. And this is going to be the left. So drank is going to be 3/4 liters. So we are going to find the left. So what are we going to do? 8/9 minus 3/4. So equal to 9 and 4. We have to find the common denominator, which is times 4 times 4, then times 9 times 9. So we were left with 32/36 minus 27/36 equal to 5/36. So the answer is 4. Next, arrange the following fractions from the smallest to the greatest. So let's figure out which one is the smallest. For this case, half is in the middle. Okay, we have 5/7. We have to figure out this 5/7 is more than half or less than half. 5/7 is greater than half. How do we know? Okay, let's see. Look at this denominator, which is 7. So 7 divided by 2, you will get 3.5. So if you have the fraction of 3.5 over 7, this is exactly half. So now, look at this number. The numerator is 5, which is more than 3.5. That's why this fraction 5/7 is greater than half. Now, let's look at 4/9. This is smaller than half. Why? Because 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. So if you have 4.5 out of 9, this is exactly half. But now, look at this number, which is 4. It is lesser than this 4.5. That's why this fraction 4/9 is lesser than half. And this one is half itself. So let's write the answer. Smallest is going to be 4/9. The middle one is going to be the half. And the greatest one will be 5/7. Okay, this type of question is important. Please draw the model properly. Adora had a bottle of apple juice. She drank 250 ml of it in the morning and 4/7 of the remaining juice. In the afternoon. So first thing first, what do? We draw this 250 ml first. 250 ml. This is morning. Then after that, we will be drawing this remaining juice. Remaining juice is As you can see, denominator is 7, so we will be drawing the 7 boxes. So after drawing the 7 boxes, as you can see, this is 4, numerator is 4, we will shade 4. Now, this portion is afternoon portion, and this is going to be the left. After that, there was 1/3 of the bottle or juice left. So you can see whatever left is 1/3 of the bottle. So we will be drawing exactly the same size as this 3 unit. This is going to be the left. So what are we going to write in the box? We will write, this is 1/3, right? So we will write 1/3 is equivalent to this 3 portion. So we will leave it as P, P, P. So 1/3 is equivalent to 3 portion. Okay? If 1/3 is equivalent to 3 portion, this whole thing is going to be the whole bottle. If this portion is 1/3, this portion is going to be 2/3. Why? Because 1 minus 1/3, you will get 2/3. So let's see. 1/3 is 3 portion. 2/3 will be 3 portion multiplied by 2. You will have 6 portion. So you got to draw this model properly first, then we will come and solve the problem. So according to this, you can see that this 6 portion is equivalent to this 4 portion of it plus 250 ml. So how do we find how many portion is 250 ml? So if we've minus away 6 portion minus this 1, 2, 3, 4 portion, we will get this 2 portion, which is the 250 ml. Then how to find 1 portion? 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 125. So 1 portion is, one of this portion is 125 ml. Now, what is the question? The question is, how much apple juice was there in the bottle at first? So that means they want the original amount of apple juice in the bottle. So what do? We will do, the total is this 6 portion plus 3 portion. This is the 1 whole bottle. Equal to 6p plus 3p, you have 9p. So now we know 1p is 125, 9p, what do? 125 times 9. You will get 1125. So the answer is 1125 ml. How to differentiate this type of questions? This type of questions always start with this type of number. Then they will have this remaining portion or the remainder. So remainder portion, you have to draw properly. Then after that, they will have this left portion. Then you have to draw accordingly in this way. Then this question is very easy to solve. Next question. The mass of a can of soda is 4 out of 5 kg. What is the total mass of 6 such cans? This is a very simple question, but I will still draw a model to explain to you. In exam, you don't have to draw a model if you understand what is happening. Okay, so they have 6 cans. These are the 6 cans. So 1 can is how much? What is the mass of 1 can? Is 4 out of 5. Okay, so this is 1 unit. So if 1 unit is 4 out of 5, we don't write the unit here. How many units do we have? We have 6 units. So 6 unit, what do? 1 becomes 6 means is multiplied by 6. So this side also have to be multiplied by 6. So what happened? 4 out of 5 multiplied by 6 equal to, this is the numerator. You have to know that below the 6 got invisible 1. So that means, what are we going to do? 4 times 6, 24 divided by 5. So this is improper fraction. So we have to change it to mixed number, which is 24 divided by 5. So you will get 5 times 4, 20, minus, we left with 4. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. This is the whole number. So what do we write? 4, the whole number, numerator 4, denominator is 5. Now write the answer, 4 out of 5 kg. Next question. Miss Arifa bought 5 over 8 meter of ribbon. She used 2 over 7 of it. Do you notice that this 2 over 7, there is no unit here? That means this 2 out of 7 of it, this it is referred to this. That means if you draw a model, it will look like this. Two unit of it. Okay. And this whole thing from here all the way to here is going to be 5 over 8 meter. And this is the 2 out of 7. It looks like this. It is different from the previous question. So how are we going to solve this? What is the length of ribbon she used to tie the present? Okay, so this way, for this type of question, how we do is 2, 7 of 5 out of 8 meter. This is how it looks like if you write this down in numbers. So 2 out of 7, leave it as it is. This of will become multiply, then 5 out of 8. Please do the cancellation method. It will make your life easier because all the numbers will become smaller. So this 2 and 8 both can be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, you left 4. So now 7 times 4, you get 28. 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer is 5 out of 28 meter. Next question. Alicia had 96 stickers. She used 5/8 of them. These them refer to 96 stickers. So now, let's find out this first. 96 stickers, she used 5/8 of them. So used is going to be 5/8 of 96 equal to 5/8 times 96. 8 and 96. Both can be divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8, you get 1. 96 divided by 8, you will get 12. So 12 times 5, you get 60. So this is used. So what is the remaining? Remaining is going to be this 96 minus 60, which is equal to 36. Now, she gave away 1/6 of the remaining stickers to her sister. So that means we need to find gift to the sister. Is going to be 1/6 of the remaining. That means 1/6 of 36 equal to 1/6 times 36. Both can be divided by 6. So 6 divided by 6, we get 1. 36 divided by 6, we get 6. So equal to 6. Now, how many stickers did she have left? So what do we do? This is a remaining 36, right? So left is going to be 36 minus 6 equal to 30.